Oh, there you are. Good morning, dork.
I am not a dork.
Whatever you say. Hey, do you think my new haircut looks dumb? I don't like it.
I think it looks really good.
Right, you have to say that because you're my best friend.
That's not true. You look great. Did you hear that we're getting a new student too?
Yeah, we haven't had a new student in so long.
I know. I wonder who it's gonna be.
Class, everyone meet Macy. Whoa, she's so pretty.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey, Macy, you should come over here. Take a seat next to us. Hi, guys. My name's Jason, and this is Bailey.
Nice to meet you.
You should come sit with us at lunch. Would that be okay?
Yeah, for sure. Good morning. You didn't leave a seat open for me.
Oh, my bad. I kind of forgot.
I'll see ya at lunch then.
Yeah, whatever. Macy, what were you saying? Girl, you better tell him that you love him.
I don't love him.
Are you sure about that?
Dropped this.
Oh, thank you. I don't even own a TV. Whatever, I guess I'll just throw this away. What is this? I guess the only way to find out is to push one. Now I just have to figure out what that exactly paused. Why did all those people freeze at the exact same time? Does this pause time? Oh, I'm gonna get some good use out of this.
Everyone, please put your phones away for the test.
I forgot about the test. I know what to do. Just gonna steal the answer key real quick, don't mind me, sorry. Play.
You may now begin. You have 1 hour. Hey, can I talk to you?
What's up, babe?
Yeah, so I'm sorry, but I have to break up with you.
What? Just 1 second. Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I'm breaking up with you.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, bye.
Oh, wow. Are you trying something new with your hair?
No, what do you mean?
Look at yourself.
What happened to my hair?
Honestly, I think it's kind of cool.
It looks like a bird's nest.
Looks like you have some pink strands of hair now, too.
Apparently. I guess it could have been worse. It could have been country.
I fell in love with an emo girl. All I want is...
Very funny.
You know, you kind of look like Machine Gun Kelly, too.
Thanks.
Why do you look like Hot Topic threw up on you?
Guys, okay, it wasn't me. It was my soulmate. I don't want to dress like this.
You know, maybe you should. It kind of suits you. Maybe your soulmate just has a crush on Avril Lavigne.
That's fair. Me too.
Or they might be like a super famous rock star.
I really doubt that, but it would be super cool.
Guys, is that who I think it is? Looks like your rock star isn't that far away after all.
Marco! Polo! Marco! Polo! Polo? Marco!
Safe.
Emily! I'm so glad I found you, sissy. I was so scared. It was so dark. Marco! Polo! You actually fell for it.
Bestie, don't scare me like that.
Chill, I was just joking.
It's serious. My little sister Emily was chosen to play the game this morning. She almost didn't find me in time. What's wrong with Cynthia?
Her boyfriend died during the game of Marco Polo. He wasn't able to find her in time.
That's awful. Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco? Everything's dark. Oh no. Marco?
Polo!
Marco! Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Thank goodness you found me.
I'm so glad you weren't far.
Choose who will play.
They're making me choose? Well, I can't choose my mother.
Marco?
Polo!
Marco!
Polo! 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 Bestie, why can't I hear you? Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Failure. Choose.
They're making me choose again? Oh.
You're up early.
Unfortunately.
Honey, I need a favor.
What the?
You drive your sister to school today. Hey, when did you change your clothes? Get back here. This is a robbery.
What? First thing in the morning?
Give me your car keys now.
Oh.
Oh! Brianna, you're late. You only have 10 minutes left to write the test.
Don't worry. Just hand me the test. I got this.
Mommy, I got 1,000 years. Don't say that so loud. Come on, we're leaving.
But why?
No one can ever know how many years you have. Put it to private immediately. Hey girl, why do you always keep your years on private?
I just don't see the need to share it, that's all.
He probably has no years left, that's why. Jake, don't be mean.
Hey Mom, my years are still going up. It's almost at 3,000. Can you tell me why it's such a bad thing?
Don't ever mention this to me again. Now go to your room. Everyone reveal your years immediately.
Who are these guys?
The legend has it that the girl who receives over thousands of years in her lifetime is the long-lost princess. Everyone reveal your years. We must find the princess. They already are. Brianna's the only one who keeps her years on private. Reveal it now. 3,000 years. Come with us. I'll be right back. Your driver should be here shortly. What are you doing here? Why didn't you tell me people were coming to the school today?
I didn't know.
Let's go. We're going home.
But Mom, I'm the princess.
Come on. You are never going to leave your room ever again.
Mom, no, don't leave me here. Mom!
Hello there, princess.
Are you a prince?
I believe this is yours.
A crown.
It looks stunning on you. Here, take my hand. Let's get out of here. Oh, you're the princess. Oh, we must get rid of those commoner clothes immediately. Follow me.
Wow, this gown is gorgeous.
Princess, your years, they're at infinite.
But how is that possible?
When the princess meets her soulmate, she gets infinite years.
You must be my soulmate then.
No, that's not possible. You have infinite years and he doesn't. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
Who else did I meet?
Princess, it must be some kind of mistake. I know you're my soulmate. Will you marry me?
Of course I'll marry you. You did save me after all. Prince? Prince, where are you? I need your help picking an outfit. I'm really nervous about meeting my real mother and father.
Wait, what if the princess sees us? Don't worry about her. She's clueless. I have her wrapped around my finger. Princess, are you okay?
Who are you?
After all this time, you still don't know me?
No. Wait.
Everyone, reveal your years. We must find the princess. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
I do remember you.
I have to show you something.
Infinite years. So you're my soulmate, and not a prince? A servant boy?
I'm sorry to disappoint you.
I can't marry you. I must marry a prince and become queen.
Are you ready to be married, princess?
Don't speak to me. This is a transaction, not love.
You will now be pronounced king and queen once your new crowns are worn. Wait! I object!
Honey, plug yourself in.
I will, okay, relax. Where even is my charger? I'll find it later. Mom, I'm at 1% and I can't find my charger anywhere.
Haley, I told you.
I don't feel so good. No, hang on.
That was the third time this has happened this month.
I know, I'm sorry. Thanks for saving me. Honey, I've been working on a new invention. I want to show it to you. A bracelet?
It's a portable charger that allows you to never run out of battery. It's finally ready for use.
Really?
Yep, I made it just for you. But Haley, don't tell anyone what it does, okay? Nice bracelet.
Thanks. Do I know you?
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Henry Powers.
How did you do that?
Huh, I was about to ask you the same thing. I'm gonna need you to come with me.
I'm not coming with you anywhere.
Oh, yes, you are.
What?
How are you? How did you take my power? Ugh, I need that bracelet.
Mom, we have a problem.
What, honey?
Well, there was like this crazy guy at school, and he had electric powers or something, and he was sucking the battery life from me.
What? He did?
Yeah, but don't worry, your bracelet protected me.
That must have been a power sucker.
Oh, what?
There are people who recharge themselves by taking other people's battery life. Do you know where he went?
No, I ran away, and then he...
What was that? I think he might have followed you. Go, hide.
No, I'm not gonna leave you by yourself.
You can't hide from me. Leave us alone. Hand over the bracelet.
Not a chance.
Okay then. Guess I'll drain her battery.
Mom! Oh. I'm gonna drain all her battery life. No, okay, you can have it. Don't. If he gets that, he'll be unstoppable. She's at 2%. It's her or the bracelet. I choose her. Take it. Finally. Now let her go. Alright, a deal's a deal. Mom? Mom, give me your hand. Not so fast. I'm not done with you, kid. I decided I want more power. What? Leave her alone. I'm taking her battery life. This is for being a little brat. Stop! Mom, go plug yourself in. Otherwise your battery's gonna die too. Say goodbye to your daughter. No! Haley, grab the bracelet. No! Why, you little... give me that back. No! My power! Oh, you did it. Mom, you're at 1%. Here, thanks. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm so proud of you, honey. Come here.
Want to see your boyfriend's feelings?
100%? Guess he's a keeper. Got this for you. Thanks. Of course, babe. Derek, is that you? Olivia. You two know each other? Yeah, we used to date. We were together for a little bit. We should all go out sometime. Yeah, we should.
Boyfriend lost a little feelings.
Hey, babe, do you maybe wanna hang out tonight? Oh, sorry, babe. I already invited the boys over. They'll be here in a little bit. It's game night.
More feelings lost.
What is going on? You know what? Forget it. I don't care if it's boys' night. I have to go talk to him. Derek, Holy shit! Is she wearing my... we can explain. You should have knocked.
Want to get revenge on your boyfriend? Pick your revenge for boyfriend. Revenge is ready. Take your revenge. Remember to use it wisely.
Hey, can we talk? There is nothing to talk about. You and I are over. No, don't say that, okay? I just found out that Olivia is with another guy. Well, you know what they say. Karma is a real... Maria, please. What I did was stupid, and I promise it's not gonna happen again. I want you, not her. Thanks for giving me a second chance. Of course. I'm not one to hold a grudge. You look so beautiful, babe. Thanks. Babe, I gotta tell you, this food is, like, really good. I'm glad you like it. I made it myself. What? I didn't know you could cook. You even got my favorite drink. Should we make a toast? To us. To us. Oh, babe, I hope you don't mind. I switched our drinks. The one you gave me smelt a little strong. Whoa. You switched them? Yeah, I didn't think it was that big of a deal. You've been coughing a lot. Are you okay? You know what? I'm gonna go get you some water.
Your revenge has backfired.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Would you like to receive the antidote?
Is that even a question? Yes. Sorry I took so long, babe. Here you go. Thanks. What a hero.
Boyfriend has lost a little feelings.
That boy gains and loses feelings for me every 5 seconds. Olivia? What the hell are you doing here? It's Derek. He's in the hospital. Haven't you checked your phone? He got into a car accident. Derek? Maria, you came. Oh, I'm so glad I'll have you to take care of me. Actually, no, you won't. Because I'm breaking up with you. What? No! Please. It's like I said, Derek. Karma. It's so...
Hey, Mommy. Can I ride the bus to school with my friends? No, honey. I'll walk you. Okay. Hey, Mom. Can I go to the mall with Jessica? Her mom's taking us. You can go, but I'm driving you. Okay, yeah. That's fine. Hey, Mom. There's the school trip. Can I go? How long is the drive? About 3 hours. No, sorry. You can't go. Okay. Hey Mom, I'm finally 16. Can I please learn how to drive? No. But both my sisters got to learn at my age. I said no. This is not fair. Hey girl, are you coming with us to Jackson's party tonight? I would love to, but I can't. Ugh, is this about the whole driving thing? I'll take you. I have my license. You know what? Yeah. Pick me up at 7.
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I've never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you, that's true. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the streets you're running free, like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
You can only say yes.
Yes. Sweetie, does this dress make me look fat? Yes. You really think that? Yes. You're such a disappointment, do you know that? Yes. Giselle, will you do today's homework for me? Yes. Really? I wasn't expecting you to say yes. Will you do the whole week's homework for me? Yes. Oh my gosh, thanks. You're the best. Yes.
Class, today we're doing a pop quiz.
Yes.
Giselle, you seem really excited about the quiz.
Yes.
Should we throw in a surprise presentation too?
She better say no. If she says yes, she's done. Yes.
Hey babe, I think we should break up.
Yes.
Wait, so you want to break up too?
Yes.
You're cheating on me, aren't you?
Yes.
You can only say no.
No. Honey, do you want some breakfast? No. But it's your favorite, chocolate chip pancakes. No. Are you okay? Should I call a doctor? No.
Giselle, did you finish the assignment?
No.
Are you planning to finish it?
No.
And you just earned yourself detention.
No.
That's it. Go to the principal's office.
Giselle, do you have a date to prom yet? No. I heard Chad's gonna ask you. No! But I thought you were in love with Chad. Giselle, he's coming. No.
Hey Giselle. Will you go to prom with me?
No.
Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Whatever, I'm out of here.
No. Oh, thank goodness it's only one. I don't want to have any competition. 1,000? How does he even know 1,000 people? 100,000? This can't be right.
What's wrong?
I don't know. Maybe it's just that 100,000 people are simping over my soulmate.
Whoa, 100,000? Mine has none.
Oh, well, you're lucky then. 1 million?
Oh wow, he must be famous.
I know. I gotta find him before those girls do. He's my soulmate. I have to be the one he chooses. Okay, so what are we thinking? Is he like worldwide famous or social media famous? 2 million? He's getting more famous and more simps by the minute. I should give up. I'm never gonna find him, and if I do, how am I gonna compete with 2 million girls?
You can't give up. That's your soulmate.
I'm so sorry.
Watch where you're going, nerd.
Excuse me, nerd? Who do you think you are? How about you watch your manners next time?
I'll do as I please. OMG, I can't believe you talked to him that way. Do you know who he is?
No, and I don't think I want to. He's kind of a jerk.
He's low-key social media famous. He has over 2 million followers on TikTok.
What? Bestie, I think I found my soulmate.
That's great. Why are you upset?
Because he's an entitled TikTok influencer.
Come on, give him a chance. Ask him out on a date. You might change your mind.
You're right. I need to know if he's truly my soulmate or not. Hey!
Hey, nerd.
So, I think you might be my soulmate. let me explain. My soulmate has over 2 million people crushing on them, and you have over 2 million followers on TikTok. So I just need to go on a date with you to test if this theory is true or not.
So you like me?
No, I never said that. I said that you might be my soulmate.
Makes sense. My soulmate has 0 crushes.
Then it must not be me, because I would have way more than that.
I don't think so.
Do you want to go on a date or not?
Sure, I'll pick you up at 11.
Alright. Sounds good. See you then. Oh, that must be him. Hey.
Wow, you look beautiful.
I do?
Yeah, I mean, for a nerd.
We had a moment there, and you ruined it. Let's go. This is a really nice place you brought me.
Isn't it? It's one of my favorites. What's wrong?
Nothing. It's just your crushes keep going up.
Do you feel insecure?
Yeah, I mean a little. 3 million girls is a lot of competition.
Yeah, 3 million girls is a lot, but you're the only one on a date with me. And you're the only one that I see.
Did you also just...
Yeah, I did.
The date was amazing.
OMG, I saw you on TikTok. You're so cute. Did you just bark at me? She's a psycho.
Are you serious? How do you have 4 million crushes?
Hey, do you have a pencil I can borrow? Sure. Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why are you mad? I thought we talked about this already.
Sorry, I guess I just want you all to myself. Such a beautiful day out today.
Isn't it? Hey, cutie, are you by chance single?
No, he's not actually. He has a girlfriend, and it's me.
Oh, really?
Yes!
Stop acting like this. You're acting crazy.
I can't do this anymore.
Why do you have so many crushes all of a sudden?
I do? Really? How many?
200.
200? Nice!
How is that nice?
Says the guy with over 4 million simps.
How did you do it?
I started TikTok.
Let me see.
No, don't.
Seriously? You're posting thirst traps? 2,000 crushes, really?
I have 2,000 crushes already?
I can't believe I ever even liked you.
How can you even be upset? You have way more crushes than I do.
Yeah, but I didn't purposely get people to crush on me just to spite you.
Look, I'm sorry. I was just jealous, and I thought if I had lots of crushes too, we could be equal.
Save it, alright? I'm leaving. Have fun with your simps.
Yeah, and you have fun with yours.
Stop posting thirst traps on TikTok.
Very bold of you to say. Oh, would you look at that? 4,100,000. 4,200,000. Wow, your crushes are going very fast.
Cut it out already.
Who are you to tell me what to do? We broke up, right?
This is getting out of hand. Just stop posting.
I'll stop posting when you stop.
Hey,
Look, I don't want your critique any longer.
I'm here to say I'm sorry. I get it. I understand how you're feeling. It's hard to see people fall for the person you like.
It's my fault too. I was being insecure.
You know what I think of this whole crush soulmate thing?
You covered my crushes.
Yeah, let's not look at them anymore. They don't define our relationship.
You're right. I like it better this way.
Hey, table 5 needs a refill on their wine.
Okay, I'll do it in 1 sec. Here's another drink for you guys. Is there anything else I can get you?
No, but you seem like a beautiful soul. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Someone left a gift for you on the to-go counter.
A gift? Maybe it's from one of my regulars.
You're so lucky. I wish I'd get a gift.
You are the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Enjoy the makeup. Secret Santa? I don't know anyone who would have given me an anonymous gift.
The mystery's part of the fun. Enjoy it.
Hey, Bailey.
I am not taking table 4. They smell like broccoli and BO.
No, there's another gift for you.
Oh. Here's something to remind you of me. Secret Santa. I have to find out who's been leaving me these.
Excuse me, ladies.
Everyone keep taking breaths. Get as much air as you can.
I'm trying. Why are they gonna limit our breaths anyway? This is stupid.
We're running out of oxygen, so this was their solution, I guess. Why aren't you taking any breaths?
I am.
They just sent them out. I got 1 million.
What?
How many did you get?
I only got 4.
Close your mouth right now. Don't waste any of your air. You need to hold your breath for as long as you physically can today, okay? Do you not have any breaths? You look like a chipmunk. Wait, like none at all? You need to be careful. You're gonna die. Are you okay? You look a little pale. Are you sure? Because you don't look very good. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh no. Can someone give her more breaths? She only has 2 left. I can do it. I have a lot of them. Then do it. She needs them now. I just did.
Thank you.
Whoever distributes the breaths must really not like you.
What?
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
You are a terrible liar. You know you can't go outside until you turn 21.
But why? I'm 18. Isn't that close enough?
No, you're not going outside.
I need to know what's out there.
I'm going to work. Don't try anything while I'm gone.
Okay, see you later. Why is there nothing good on Netflix right now? Who's there? That's definitely not my mom.
Bailey, honey, listen to me. There's somebody inside the house. I saw it on the cameras. You have to leave now.
But I can't go outside.
It's just this one time. The police are on the way to save you right now.
What do you mean they'll save me? Okay, this is it. I'm going out the window. Wow.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Honey, wait. You'll have to wait until you're 18 to open it.
But why can't I open it now?
Because this is a special gift. You have to wait, okay? Happy 12th birthday, sweetie.
Thanks, Grandpa. Can I open my gift now?
No, I tell you every year. You have to wait until you turn 18 to open it, okay?
Okay.
Happy 15th birthday.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
Only 3 years left and then you get to open your gift.
Yeah, I guess.
Giselle, you're 18 tomorrow. You'll finally be able to open your gift. Are you excited?
I don't know. I mean, I've been waiting for so long. I don't even know if I want to open it.
You have to, and you need to let me know what it is as soon as you open it.
Yeah, I will.
Happy 18th birthday, honey. You get to open it.
Grandpa, what is this?
Happy 18th birthday. You can open it now.
Grandpa, what is this?
Sweetie, I don't feel so good.
Grandpa, are you okay?
Just go call an ambulance, please.
Hi, yes, 911. It's my grandpa.
We'll be there as fast as we can. Just sit tight. Excuse me, miss. Are you Giselle?
Hi, yes, my grandpa. Is he gonna be okay?
I'm so sorry, sweetie. We did everything we could. He's gone. I'm really sorry about your grandpa.
Thanks.
At least you got to open your gift with him.
My gift? Yeah.
So, what was it?
I don't really know. It's a note.
Well, if it was a note, I really think you should go read it.
What? It's just a phone number. Hey, Becky?
Did you end up opening the gift?
Yeah, I did.
What was it?
It's just a phone number.
A phone number?
Yeah. I don't get it. Why would my grandpa make me wait until I turn 18 to open up a phone number?
Are you gonna call it?
No, are you crazy? I don't know who's gonna pick up.
Giselle, I really think you should call it.
You know what? I think I'm gonna call it.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello?
Who is this?
This is Giselle.
Where did you get this number?
My grandpa gave it to me.
I need you to meet me at this address, and I need you to come alone.
Okay. The person gave me an address.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, Mom. What's this?
Oh, that's the percentage of how much someone loves you.
Wait, so you love me 100%?
Of course I do, honey. You're my daughter. Hey, bestie.
Hey, Jess. You only love me 10%? You're supposed to be my best friend.
What do you mean? Of course I love you more than that.
I can't believe you.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Jake. Gee, If your love for me is that low, why are you dating me?
What are you talking about?
You know what? I don't even care. It's over.
There you are. Can we talk?
Jessica, I already told you, I don't want to talk to you.
Wait, I figured it out. Your mom lied to you. That's not how much someone loves you, it's how much they hate you. Giselle, there you are. Can we talk?
Jessica, I already told you, I don't want to talk to you.
Wait, I figured it out. Your mom lied to you. It's not how much someone loves you, it's how much they hate you.
You're making that up. My mom would never lie to me.
No, I'm telling you the truth.
Okay, look, I don't understand. Why would she lie?
I have no idea, but I promise you I was telling the truth.
I'm gonna go talk to her. I'll call you later. Mom?
Honey, you're home.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Yes, of course. About what?
Is it true that you lied to me about the percentage?
No, I would never lie to you.
So you're telling me that that is not a hate percentage, that's a love percentage?
Okay, yes, I lied to you.
Why would you lie to me? I broke up with my boyfriend and I almost lost my best friend.
Well, why do you think mine is on 100%?
Only one? He's so innocent. I love him. Two at once? It's okay. It's okay. I am not judging. Not judging. Three at once? When we finally meet, him and I are gonna have a little chat about this one. My soulmate's body count is 6. I mean, it's not that bad. It could be worse.
That's horrible. Absolutely crazy.
Is that crazy? How much is your soulmate's body count?
0. 0?
Calm down, guys. It's 2021. There's nothing wrong with being a little promiscuous.
Their body count isn't how many they've been with, it's how many they've killed.
What? I can't believe it. I can't believe my soulmate is a killer.
Calm down. Just breathe. You'll probably never even have to meet him.
You know, it's honestly offensive that the universe thinks I belong with somebody like that.
Let's get our mind off things. Let's watch TV. Breaking news. The Cheerios bandit is on the loose.
What kind of name is that? The Cheerios Bandit?
He already has over 10 bodies. Could that be him? Your soulmate?
I need some fresh air. I think I'm gonna throw up. There's no way. There's no way the Cheerios Bandit could be my soulmate. Who are you?
Come with me.
It's time for the big reveal. What did I get?
You got gold.
Gold? I knew it. I was born for fame. Okay, show me yours.
What did I get?
You got gold too! Oh my god, we are so lucky.
Girl, did you hear they're looking for a girl with a pink mark? They say she's the long-lost princess.
What? No way.
The prince is also given a pink mark. There's only 2 people within the whole kingdom with a pink mark.
You know, gold never really suit me, but marrying a prince sure will. Hello, sir. I'm here to see the prince.
Nobody sees the prince.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, ma'am, I'm so sorry. Please come with me right away.
Of course.
You're so beautiful, just as I expected.
Me too. You're handsome, I mean, not beautiful. Well, you are beautiful, but...
I get what you mean. Well, you better get home and rest. Our wedding's tomorrow.
You're right.
I now pronounce you Prince and Wait, she's a liar.
Emily?
Who's that?
That's Emily. She's my best friend.
Her mark is fake. She's not the real princess. I am.
But Emily, your mark was gold.
I covered it because I was scared of being royalty. But I can't sit back and watch you lie any longer. Is this true? Both of you are coming with me till we figure this out.
No. Wait.
Just the bread? That'll be 100 words.
Please. I'm so hungry.
No words, no food. That's the rule.
I'll buy it for her.
You don't have many words, do you? Here. It's infinity words. You'll never have to go hungry again.
Buy this for me, and this one for me.
Hey!
Come on, you have endless words, and we're meeting the prince today. Don't be so selfish. It's the least you can do after we let you into our family. That'll be 5,000 words. I was thinking lobster for dinner. Oh, and steak.
You guys are just using me.
The prince is coming soon. How do I look?
Oh no, my words are getting low. Come on, I need a refill. What's taking so long? You literally have infinity words.
Did I just hear you have infinity words? Do you know what this means? You're the long-lost princess.
What? There's no way a loser like her is the princess. Yeah, and before she never even... Silence. If she has infinity words, that means she is the princess. Come with me, love. We'll have a crowning ceremony tonight. Here you'll have tons of ravishing dresses to choose from.
Wow. This is the one.
Wow, you look just like a princess in your new dress.
Where's the prince?
You and the prince may not see each other until the crowning ceremony is over. I now crown you...
Wait. I can't accept the crown.
Why not?
Because I'm not the princess.
Am I a hunter or am I a prey?
What?
What does purple represent?
I don't know. It has to be some kind of mistake.
Well, I hope you're not a prey. I don't want to have to hunt you. I'm gonna get you. Excuse me, there's no hunting prey during class. Fine. Hey you. What kind of mark is purple? Attention everyone. Please come to the main lobby immediately for your color check.
I'm nervous. I have friends who are both hunters and preys. I don't want us to turn against each other.
It's no big deal. You should be with your own kind anyways. Next. The purple mark. We've been looking for you. Come with me immediately.
What am I? Am I a hunter or am I a prey?
You're a mediator.
Mediator?
The mediators are meant to bring balance and harmony between the hunters and the preys. I didn't think they were real until I saw you. Get over here, you prey. Help me!
Hey, stop that.
Oh, what even are you?
I'm a mediator, so just go to class.
You have one special ability that no one else has. You have the ability to change their mark. Preys into hunters and hunters into preys. I'm a hunter. It's what I do.
You're a hunter?
What? I'm a prey? I was so sure it was red. Dude, I'm so sorry I tried to hunt you. Whoa, she has 100 lives. I wish I had 100 lives. I'd have so much fun. Hey, Brianna, do you want to come jump off buildings with us later?
No, I'm super busy. I'll pass today. Thank you, though.
Come on, you have so many lives, you should use them. She has so many lives and she doesn't even use them. That's so boring. If I had that many lives, I would not be like her. Did you want to come drowning with us?
Not today, sorry.
Are you sure? It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm sure. Hello?
Honey, come quick. We were in a terrible accident. Your sister's in critical condition. She's not going to make it. She'll need at least 99 lives to survive.
Take mine.
But honey, you only have 1 life left.
And that's all I need. Just do it. Hey, you're awake.
Yes, Sissy, I feel so much better. Where'd your lives go? You have to cover up your 1 life, or people will see you as a target.
A target?
Yes, they see people with 1 life as weak and want to eliminate them all. Why'd you cover up your lives?
I was just sick of everyone bringing up how many lives I have. I just thought covering them up would be easier.
You know, most people that cover up their lives only cover it up because they only have 1 life and they're scared.
Last time you saw me, I had 100 lives. How would I lose lives that fast? You know I never use them.
Hey man, we should wipe that makeup right from her forehead and see how many lives she truly has. Good idea. It's against the law to cover up your lives anyways, and we don't want any 1-lifers hanging around here. Whoa, Brianna, are you okay?
Yeah, it's just really hot in here.
Brianna, you only have 1 life left? I knew it. Let's get her! How many words did you get this year? 0? That's even less than last year. It's okay, baby. Don't be upset. How about I take you shopping? It will cheer you up. You like that dress? Alright, let's go buy it then. Oh, you want to try it on first? Alright, let's go. I'm very sorry, sir, but it's only 1 person per change room. No, I have to come with her. She's gonna need help with the zipper. Don't worry, sir. I'll be there to help her with that. Please wait here. Oh, it looks like you got the zipper just fine on your own.
Help me.
Help you? Do you know that man? Here, I'll donate some words to you. I contacted the police. They're already on their way. You tell them everything when they get here, okay?
Happy birthday! Look what came in the mail!
An egg?
It's your very own magical creature.
Wait, really?
Yes, but you have to take good care of it and wait for it to hatch. But I want to see it now. Don't give me that attitude. You have to be patient. It will hatch on your 17th birthday. It hasn't hatched. No, not yet. I'm gonna take it to class with me. Please be careful. Don't let it get stolen. I won't. Guys, mine just hatched. I got a panda dragon. I got a koala unicorn. What about you? Well, actually, mine's still in the egg. Yours is probably dead. It is not. Whatever you say. Come on, please hatch. I have waited so long for this. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Hi there, little guy.
That's a very rare creature you got there.
Who are you?
I found them. I'm gonna need you both to come with me.
What? Actually,
I said let's go.
Whoa, maybe now I can kind of see why they wanted you. Honey? Mom! Mom, you're hurt. I tried to stop him, but he was too strong. I'll help you. What is it doing? Whoa, it healed me. This was so worth the wait. What? Nothing, sweetheart. I can't believe it. He won't be passed out for long. I need to go get something. I'll be right back. So, you have laser eyes and the power to heal people? What else can you do? Okay, what is taking her so long?
Shh. I'm here to help you.
You're telling me that I was stolen?
Yes, when you were a baby, your mom stole you from your dad. He sent me to look for you.
You're lying.
I'm not. You need to come with me. You're not safe here.
Well,
Weekend 1 of Coachella is sadly over, so I'm gonna rate all the outfits that I wore this year. Okay, this was my day 1 outfit. I'm obsessed with it. It's giving 2000s Avril Lavigne. The only thing I would have changed about this is I wish the short was like ever so slightly shorter. But the Converse were a smart pick because last year I wore heels and I learned my damn lesson. I'm gonna give this one like a 7 out of 10. Day 2, oh! I was dying over this and everyone else was also dying over this. It's giving bitch on the back of the motorcycle that you can never stop thinking about when you see her. This is a 10 out of 10. I would have not changed anything about this look at all. It was perfect. This is day 3 and it was really, really cute, but so impractical. I had to fully tape the top to my body because it would not stay where it was supposed to be. The skirt was also falling. You can see my underwear in this pic. But regardless, it was iconic. I'm gonna give this one like a 9 out of 10. The fringe gloves. Oh, I'm so sad that Coachella is over, but I'm also glad that I had a redemption arc from whatever my outfits were last year. Everyone and their mother is freaking out over this bold glam filter, so we're gonna try to recreate it. Jump scare! I have some things, so let's do it. Going in with a blurring primer because I did not have a single pore with that filter on. In case any of my pores are left, I'm gonna use a blurring BB cream too. This concealer is literally white because we wanna lift and snatch the face. I am built like an egg, but this filter gave me cheekbones. I want a little baby button nose. I was about to use this. What happened? Did anyone else go follow Selena Gomez after all the drama? My brows are already dark, but this filter made them even darker. That's definitely aggressive. Why do I look like a who? Shine bright like a diamond. I really don't want to do this, but it's time to overline my lips. I already have lip filler, so this is a lot. It's giving fish from Fish Tales. Spot the difference. Okay, final reveal. This is me with the filter on, and here's me with the filter off. It looks even crazier because I already have a full face of makeup on. How do you guys think I did? Let me know in the comments. There are so many.
Your mother knew you so well. That dress looks perfect on you, honey. You look like a real-life princess.
here, this is for you. Oh, thank you. Of course. You ready to go? Can't believe you and Rebecca are tied. Well, I'd like to change that. The name's Brock. May I kiss you? Go ahead, Sid. It's time you put Rebecca in her place. Peter, I made it to 90%. No way. You're the most popular girl in school now. Listen, I've actually been meaning to tell you. And the winner for prom queen goes to Miss Sydney White.
Yo, Sydney!
Oh my gosh, she's my friend.
Sydney!
First she becomes more popular than me, and now she's prom queen? It's time for plan B. I need your help. You remember how Cindy's allergic to apples?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Well, I have a job for you.
Stand there for your picture. Mind if we take it without the gems? Smile. Congrats, Cindy! She looks so pretty. Sid, Rebecca's super upset that you took her title. You better be careful. Wait, do you know where Peter went?
Heard you're looking for Peter.
Yeah, have you seen him?
Actually, yes. Let me show you where he is.
Lucas, Peter isn't here.
Yeah, I know. I lied, okay?
What? Why would you?
Because I wanted to get you alone so you and I could, kiss and you can get up to 100%.
No, I don't care about my popularity score anymore.
But Sydney, once you hit 100%, you meet your soulmate. You can meet him tonight.
Do you really think so?
I know so. That's the law. One kiss is all it takes.
Ah. Lucas, did you have something on your lips?
Just chapstick. All natural apple chapstick.
Apples? I'm allergic to...
I know.
Miss Cindy White?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, welcome to Castle High. Your popularity score will now appear above your head. Don't ask me how to make it go up. It's a secret. Do you have any dietary restrictions or allergies?
Yes, I'm actually highly allergic to apples.
Noted. All right, get to class. Here is your name tag.
Oh, look. It's the most unpopular girl in school.
How did you get yours up to 70%?
Oh, Sydney. You're so pathetic.
Wanna come to my party?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'll airdrop you the address.
Okay.
Sid, we're playing Truth or Dare. Pick one.
Dare.
Okay. We dare you to kiss Peter.
Whoa!
It's just for fun. Come on, we're waiting.
Okay.
She's so dumb.
Your popularity went up. Congrats.
Don't congratulate her. She only has 10%, and she needs 100% to meet her soulmate. And we all know that's not gonna happen.
Don't listen to what Rebecca says to you. She's a nobody. Peter, she's literally the most popular girl in school.
I know, but not for long. We have a plan.
Who's we?
Me and 7 of my other basketball teammates.
Meet us at the boys' locker room during lunch. Peter, I really shouldn't be in here.
Sid, it's all good. Let me go get the team. Guys, this is Sydney.
Hey! Yo, Sydney!
Hey. You guys want to raise my popularity score?
Yes, ma'am. We think you're kind of cute and way nicer than Rebecca. And since you got 10% right now, if you kiss all of us, you're gonna go up to 80, making you more popular than Rebecca Queen.
I don't know about this.
Come on, Sydney. We're sick of Rebecca thinking she's better than everyone.
Hey, Siri. Who's the most popular girl in Castle High?
You. But not for long.
Who's the second most popular?
Sydney White.
What?
Yo, just one more kiss.
She did it. I made it to 80%.
Yep, I can't wait to see Rebecca's face.
Yo, Peter, you're right. She was a good kisser.
You said that?
Oh, what? No, somebody's got a crush.
Oh.
Jason, shut up.
Not you all exposing Peter.
Hey, Sydney. I see you raised your percentage. Well, so did I. Looks like we're tied.
Sid, you better watch your back. Why? Because Rebecca's totally obsessed with being the most popular, and if you come for her title, girl, she's gonna come for you.
Sydney, hey.
Oh, hey, Peter.
Hi, I wanted to ask you if you wanted to go to prom with me.
Sure, I'd love to.
Sweet, I'll pick you up at 8.
Dad, I need a prom dress.
Actually, sweetheart, your mother left you something for this day. She always thought of everything. Let me show you.
Get ready with me as I tell you guys about the time I had a stalker. When I first moved to LA, I lived in an apartment complex that had a gym with it. But then I moved to somewhere that had no amenities at all, so I had to go and get a different gym membership. Since my rent had gone up, I was like, bitch, I'm gonna save some money and go to Planet Fitness. Key piece of information, this was not in the best area at all. Everything had been totally fine, no weird experiences, until this one day I smiled at a dude in the parking lot and then he left a note on my windshield. I was just trying to be friendly because he was getting out of the car right next to me, but the note basically said, "You're cute, call me," and I kind of laughed at it and never did because it's weird. Fast forward 2 months, I had gotten a new car and it was like 9 p.m. I come out of the gym and there is a sticky note pasted right above my door handle. This is what the note said. Obviously someone was butthurt that I didn't text them. This man knew what my old car looked like, now knew what my new car looked like, and knew what time I went to the gym. I went back the next day and canceled it immediately, but they couldn't do anything about it. I know you guys tell me to stop messing with my hair, but my bangs need a trim. Am I gonna go to a stylist? No. I'm gonna cut them myself with my baby tiny scissors. I just wanna do some baby pieces in the front because I don't trust myself, but I also can't see because of the bangs. Okay, I'm just gonna say fuck it and start cutting. I don't wanna mess them up. That's my biggest worry, that they're just gonna like look really bad. I don't think that that's even. I think I need to cut a little bit more on this side. Hopefully I won't regret this. Okay, I'm too scared and I barely took anything off, but I can definitely see now, which is good. I think that they're cute. My hair is always really messy, so you probably won't even tell if they're kind of uneven. Okay guys, I just got back from the festival day 2 and my hair is looking a little crazy, but the makeup has stayed on for the entire duration of the festival because of this NYX Cosmetics mattifying setting spray. It is so impressive, and look at these stars.